Auto Obsessed here. Super exciting day ahead where you'll be able to take a seat with me in this Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, and we're going to meet up with another 150 exciting cars, all for a great cause. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. So here we are, starting out on this very early Saturday morning. We're heading to meet up with another 150 cars. There'll be Ferraris, McLarens, Lamborghinis, Maseratis, Porsches, and many other special interest cars for the Horsepower for Hope charity event. The reason we're meeting is to generate awareness and much needed monies to help kids with cancer and their families. Here the car community gets together and donates their cars, their time. Money comes from each driver who pays a fee to enter their car. Corporate sponsors and the general public all come together to donate to the Kids with Cancer Society. The kids with cancer children and their families get an opportunity to get up close and see these cars, take in a full day of activities that is filled with smiles and amazing memories. This 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider just went through an extreme multi-month restorative detailing here at Auto Obsessed. We removed all the old paint protection film, did a full undercarriage detail, multi-stage paint correction, installed all new paint protection film to the car, then finished it with multi-layers of Swiss Wax Obsessed Show Wax. It has only come out one other time this season due to our poor weather, and I am excited to bring it to today's event. Auto Obsessed has been supporting the community and these types of charity events since 2010, and this Lamborghini Gallardo has now over 60,000 kilometers and has been to every one of the charity events that Auto Obsessed has been a part of. Get ready, take a seat, buckle up, and ride along with me to help raise monies and make an impact for so many children and their families that have been affected by cancer. And here we go. And now we are at the end of the event. I want to thank all the event planners, the drivers, the corporate sponsors, and all the many, many volunteers it takes to make an event like this happen. It brought so many endless smiles to so many faces. If you'd like to know more about this event or to donate, please visit horsepowerforhope.ca. And thank you for watching.